Always make sure you have these books on hand, folks, best in your kitchen and cooking around the world. And my latest one, is now launched, you guys. I think most of you have your copies already. Chef Des Cooks with BC Eggs. I'm doing clam juice. So if you can't find these bottles of clam juice, you can do cans of clam nectar. You will find these in your canned seafood section of your grocery store. You buy your canned tuna, canned salmon. You'll find something there in a way of a clam liquid, whether clam nectar or these bottles of clam juice. And when you see them, man, just pick up a couple. Anytime you need to add some nice seafood flavor, whether it's a seafood from fish or shellfish or whatever, this comes in really handy. Because you notice when you go down the soup aisle and you buy your cartons of chicken broth or your cartons of beef broth or vegetable broth, they don't have cartons of seafood broth. So in those cases, for seafood, buy this stuff because it's just great.